Hi, YouTube. This is Stephanie of the Work at Home Lifestyle, and I'm back with another work at home job just for you. This time it's with the company Aira. They're hiring visual interpreters. Aira is a service that offers human to human professional assistance for people who are blind or have low vision. If you're hired as a visual interpreter with Aira, you're going to use their proprietary technology to help answer live video calls from blind and low vision customers. You will then assist one at a time with real time tasks in countless unique scenarios. Visual interpreters focus on providing live, personalized support for each customer's unique requirement during live video calls. Working as a visual interpreter is unlike any other job. So, if this sounds like something that you're interested in, this could be a great change for you. So, the responsibilities for this role include clearly and accurately presenting on demand visual information to blind and low vision customers. You'll be consistently answering calls while scheduled. You'll engage and support your team by participating in team building exercises, making helpful suggestions, encouraging other visual interpreters, and contributing to the overall organizational growth and development in the company. This is a big one, and it's very important that you will maintain strict data privacy standards and confidentiality. This job also requires that you maintain regular and consistent attendance and punctuality because you'll have people that are depending on you as you're helping to guide them through their daily tasks. So they ask that you be enthusiastic, eager, and articulate, that you're mission driven and have an innate problem solving skill set. You're able to adapt well to new technologies and processes. They ask that you have a PC, a Mac, a smartphone, and other online platforms to help work with Aira's platform. You must have strong spatial awareness and a keen sense of direction because you will be physically directing people as they are working through daily activities. They ask that you have a strong vocabulary and know how to utilize descriptive language effectively, and that you have strong attention to detail. The qualifications for this job include having a high school diploma or GED. You must be 18 years or older. You are fluent in English and you have the right to work in the United States. They ask that you have a private workspace with no background noise that's free from family, friends, pets, visitors, etc. And you must have a computer system that meets their technical specifications. You can check those out on your own. If you would like to see what an Aira representative or guide does every day, there are videos on YouTube that will show you what you be doing. So you can go look that up on your own time as well. The minimum schedule requirement is 35 hours a week and a willingness to work weekend hours. They prefer someone that has a background in customer service, a call center environment, or technical support. They prefer someone that has experience working with people with disabilities, that's knowledgeable of a full range of accommodations used by the blind and low vision community. And if you're bilingual in French or Spanish, then that's even better. This position pays a base rate of $20. And if you're willing to work other hours, then you could receive a bonus of up to $3 an hour more, taking you up to $23 an hour. So that's pretty solid. They offer other benefits, which include employer-supported health insurance, $400 annual for technology stipend, paid sick leave, paid training, and of course, the support of your team members. This is another great work from home job for you to apply. So go ahead and apply for this job. Have a great day.